Everyone, today I am going to be teaching you guys how to apply false eyelashes, and this is my method of applying false eyelashes. It's the easiest for me and this was highly requested, so I hope you guys enjoy. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. Today I'm going to be using House of Lashes, and this is in the style Boudoir Lite. And I'm also using House of Lashes tools. So I'm using the tweezers and the scissors, and these do come in a set, and I believe it's $14 for both, which is a steal. I also use these tweezers to pluck my eyebrows. And you'll also be needing eyelash glue. I highly recommend House of Lashes Eyelash Adhesive. I have it in both the clear white and the dark black. Usually if I'm not wearing eyeliner, then I will go with the clear, and if I am wearing eyeliner, then I'll go with the dark one. I do have a video up on my channel already on how to apply winged eyeliner. This is optional, but I always like to have an eyelash curler. I use this eyeliner to tightline, and it really fills in the gap between my lashes and the false lashes. I have my brand new box of eyelashes here. Usually I just use my finger to peel it from the edge. And you want to be careful because you don't want to rip your eyelash. I'm going to be using this as my mirror today. This eyelash case actually lights up. So to measure my eyelash, I usually just place it on top of my eyelid like so. And I leave a little bit of room in the inner corner because I don't want it to poke me. And if it pokes right here, it usually makes my eyes water, which I really don't like. It's really uncomfortable. So about right there, I'm going to cut it. This is what the eyelash would look like if it were on my eye. After you've measured and trimmed your eyelashes, you want to take your eyelash glue, and I like to use tweezers for the application process. You can use your fingers or however you feel comfortable. I like to hold it with the tweezer in the middle of the lash at the base like so, and then I apply glue evenly all around the lash band. I usually put extra glue in the inner corners and the outer corners just to ensure that my lashes aren't lifting. I give it a good fan for like 5 seconds. Never blow on your eyelashes because that is how you get bacteria on them, and you're putting it on your eye, which is bad for you. A lot of people don't know that, but now you do. I have my mirror here and I'm looking down. I'm just gonna apply it in the center first and then fix the corners. So the reason that you want to fan your eyelash before applying it is so that the glue has time to dry a little bit and get tacky, and it won't slide all over the place when you're trying to apply it. I'm going to curl my eyelashes to blend my real lashes with my false lashes. I like to get all of it in there and just give it a couple squeezes. And after I've curled my eyelashes, I take my eyeliner and tightline right there because you can see. Do you guys see the difference? And that is how you apply false eyelashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, my social medias are listed in the description box down below, and I also have discount codes for you guys, so check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!
Showing off, but it's alright. And you're showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah.
House of Lashes, if you are watching this, love you.